Hello traders, Caroline Alizan here, graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, September 7th of 2011 and we are looking at the Q's daily chart, and wow, what a big gap up today on our daily chart. We are back above the 8 moving average, which you see here in green. We are back above it, so which means that we are entering into bullish territory according to the 8 moving average, but we are still below these other 2 moving averages, which are very important here. The 200 moving average, which is here in green, and which is here in blue, and it's sitting at the 56.16 mark, and the one down below in red, which is the 50-day moving average. So we are stuck and caught inside the moving averages, which I don't really like, and we are building up some steam for a major move one way or the other. But the other thing that I do see on this chart forming is that really nice formation between these 2 pink trend lines. So it is a rising wedge formation. It is a beautiful rising wedge formation on our chart, which is more bearish than bullish. Rising wedge formations are more bearish than bullish. So what we could see happening in here is that we could try to go back up to that overhead resistance area right here, the 55.30 mark, and then we could crash back down, breaking through that lower area of support right here on our way down, the 54.36 mark about, which would be a breakout through that lower pink area of support, and then we can continue lower to the next area of support on our way down here, the 53.77 mark, and then once we break through that one and close below it, we could be in trouble again. So we could head even lower to that next area of support on our way down here, the 51.50 mark, and then the next major one would be at the 50.50 mark. So that is what I see on this chart. And check this out, the MACD is still holding pretty strong above the 0 line, but right now it's resting. It is pointing a little bit more north than south, but it looks like we are resting here on the MACD, still above the 0 line, still in the bullish territory. And it makes sense quite a bit here because we are caught inside the moving averages in here. So that's what the MACD is actually showing us, slowing down a little bit here. So that's what it is. It's a pretty nice confirmation of the things that we do see here on our chart. And the volume, I don't really like it again. It's pretty light. We're still way below the average, so it is considered to be light volume. So again, watch all areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today. Also watch the MACD for confirmation and look for spikes in volume. Alright, so have a wonderful day, evening, and I'll talk to you guys again